So, as you can see, we're down here at Rtfit. It is miserable, but today is a good day because it's the final part of the build, which is the most important, and it's the security of it. So, we've got Latham steel doors who have kindly going to be replacing this door, but they've said I've got to replace it because it's quite simple to do. So, don't know how simple, but we will see. So, let's get this done. I think they're here. Go on in. Right guys, that's a wrap on fitting my fire exit door. So as you can see, matte black in keeping with the gym. Huge shout out to Lathams for obviously supplying this. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I was a bit nervous. I haven't been on the tools for well over 10 years now, so I was a bit nervous, but went in a dream. Can't thank you enough.